Hey HoneyPots, guess what time it is? It's MorpheMe time. So if you want to see me open this package and see what brushes I get, please keep watching. Okay, so for April 2018, the MorpheMe Spring Fling says they are giving us 4 brushes. An R2 brush, which is a pro tapered powder brush, the E11 and the E17, which is a brow and crease brush, as well as a precision blender, and then the E47, which is a small flat angled contour brush. Okay, this is the R2 brush by Morphe. It's a flat powdered brush, which is very nice and soft and fluffy. You can definitely use this for your powder work, whether it is setting powder over the circumference of your face, or if you even wanted to use it for blush, you could do that. It's kind of big for blush if you ask me, but it's definitely a good brush for powder. The next brush that I got, if you notice, this has like a rose gold finish. The ferrule here is like a gunmetal gray, and this is definitely an angled brow brush. This is the Morphe E11. And you guys will be seeing me use this in a tutorial real soon, because I like to kind of cream contour underneath my brow when it's time for me to get them freshly arched. So keep watching out for me using the E11 brush. The next brush is also with the gunmetal colored ferrule, and that's the E series. This one is the E17, and they said that this was a crease brush. So I've got to go with what they tell us, and let me pull it out. It is a nice fluffy brush, but it has some density to it, so I could see how you could use it in the crease with application of color, and then use like a color switch or something so that you can blend out the edges. Personally, for me, I would like something a little bit more fluffy to buff out the edges and blend the edges of my eyeshadow, but this definitely can be used for putting your eyeshadow on. And then the last brush also has the gunmetal gray ferrule. It is an E brush. It is the E47, and they say this is small for contouring. And I'm going to tell you, this has an angled appearance. Just taking it out of the bag, I can see it has an angled appearance, so it would fit nice and snugly on your cheekbone area towards the bottom where you would be placing your contour, like about this particular area. So this I would use for actually using contour creams, not powders. A contour cream to actually draw that line that I want, and then I would go in with a different brush to actually blend it upwards and complete your look of a nicely chiseled and contoured face. So having said that, these are all E series brushes, and this is the one that is an R, which the R would be obviously for rose gold. And I received some rose gold brushes from them before, so I was very excited to actually see this one in the pack because it's a new brush to add to that series. Not real sure what I'm going to be using it for. It's probably going to be like a setting powder brush, and it's big enough that if I wanted to use it on my body, then I could definitely do that as well. And again, these are the E series brushes. So I hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing and sharing these MorpheMe brushes that I got for the month of April. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. But what I really am interested in is comments. Guys, comment down below and let me know, when you saw this brush come out of my packet, were you happy and excited? Or was it just like, just another big fluffy brush? Put it in the comments below because I want to read your comments. And on that note, HoneyPots, stay well and stay beautiful.